When starting a fitness journey, one of the most common dilemmas people face is whether to focus on muscle gain or fat loss first. It's a tricky question, and the answer isn't the same for everyone. But here's the good news. Whichever path you choose, you're setting yourself up for a healthier, stronger future. Let's break it down to help you decide what's best for your body and goals. First, think about your primary goal. Do you want to build strength and muscle definition? Or are you more focused on shedding extra weight and revealing a leaner physique? Your starting point matters too. If you're carrying a lot of body fat, focusing on fat loss first might make sense. This is because losing fat can improve your overall health, increase your energy levels, and make future muscle building efforts more effective. On the other hand, if you're already relatively lean but lack muscle definition, prioritizing muscle gain could be the way to go. Another key factor is your body composition. If you're new to fitness or returning after a long break, you may be in a position to achieve something called body recomposition. This means you can lose fat and gain muscle at the same time, especially if you follow a structured workout plan and eat a balanced diet. However, body recomposition tends to work best for beginners or those with higher body fat percentages. If you've been training for a while, you might need to choose one goal at a time to see noticeable results. Your lifestyle and habits also play a huge role. Fat loss typically requires a calorie deficit, meaning you'll eat fewer calories than you burn. This can leave you with less energy. So if you're in a high-stress period of life or have a demanding schedule, it might be challenging to stick to a fat loss plan. Muscle gain, on the other hand, requires a calorie surplus, which means eating more than you burn. This can be fun and satisfying, but requires discipline to ensure you're eating nutrient-dense foods rather than junk. And let's not forget about mindset. Fat loss can deliver faster visible results, which can be motivating, but it's also easy to get frustrated if the scale doesn't move as quickly as you'd like. Muscle gain, meanwhile, is a slower process, and it might take weeks or months before you notice significant changes. Patience is key, no matter which path you choose. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your goals, your current fitness level, and what's sustainable for you right now. If you're unsure, start with improving your overall habits. Focus on eating whole, nutritious foods, staying active, and building a consistent workout routine. Over time, you'll gain clarity on which goal to prioritize. Remember, there's no wrong choice here. Both muscle gain and fat loss can improve your health and confidence, and the journey itself is just as important as the destination. So, take it one step at a time, stay consistent, and celebrate every small win along the way. Are you stuck trying to figure out whether to build muscle or lose fat first? Ready to take the next step in your fitness journey? Hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments. Are you focusing on muscle gain or fat loss? Let's crush those goals together.